guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about something very cool that happened. Finally, Kpti got their FDA approval, and as you can see, my stock portfolio has skyrocketed about 3.52, 3%, 3.50, whatever. So, market open, it was around, 385. I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool. Then it got shot down like Harambe, and then it made its way down all the way to 378. And then I was eating breakfast, mini wheats and all. And then I was scrolling through YouTube and I found a video saying that Kpti got their FDA approval. I'm like, yikes, this means really good news. So I invested in Kpti about like 2 weeks ago, and they got their FDA approval, so that's pretty nice. It's up 7%. That's a lot, Jesus. So Kpti, Karyophram Therapeutics, got their FDA approval. It's up $1.42, which is fantastic. It doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime soon. The SMA line or MA line keeps bouncing up soon because so many people are buying it since they got their FDA approval. Because this means their stock value and overall is gonna increase majorly. So yeah, right here, Google, Nasdaq, FDA approval, or oral expovid, selinexor. I don't know how the heck to pronounce that, but yeah, is a first-class selective inhibitor of nuclear export. So it's for like treatment adult patients with like cancer or something like that, like melanoma. I have no idea, but still, it's an FDA approval. It's a disease. It's apparently a new treatment, which means really good news. They always get an accelerated time, so it's quicker. It's kind of funny. They released it yesterday, June 22nd at 7:30 or 7 p.m. I don't know. And then I didn't even notice it, actually, so it's pretty crazy because I was expecting it today because it was supposed to be today the 23rd, but it happened yesterday. So, whatever. It still happened. It's great news. So, if we go to tip ranks or whatever, top ranks, you can see what, some analysts are giving it around an average of $32.25, which is a 58.71 upside, which is insane. But never trust this. This is just like to see where you're standing at, what other people believe, but you should never invest just solely because of this. It's not a good idea. You should do your own research before jumping into anything. Don't take other people and find your own strategy and stuff like that. But yeah, and the lowest 25, which is great because it's $5 more than this, but I'm just taking that into consideration. Yeah, it's pretty nice. My thoughts for Kpti, honestly, is that I'm not going to sell it right now. I'm going to wait a little bit, like around Friday. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry for that interruption. They were mowing the lawn and it was really loud. So back to it. So pretty much I'm deciding to keep Kpti for a little bit till Friday and see what happens. If it passes 25, I might sell it because I want to use that money to trade options. Because right now the IVR options are really cheap, but that's not important right now. But yeah, so pretty much I suggest being patient, keeping it, seeing what's gonna happen. It's just got its FDA approval, so it's gonna see massive upside right now. Don't panic sell just because it dips a little. Like right now, it's back at 6% instead of 7%. So just don't sell it because of that. I suggest you keep it. Wait till something interesting happens, or just if you want to withdraw that money, well, you can do that as well. But it's up to you. But yeah, I hope this video was informative. I'm gonna make another video later on, like 5 rookie mistakes new traders make that I used to make a lot, but I'm trying to get over that and not do them, bad habits. But if this video was good, whatever, you can subscribe to stay posted for future videos, or you can like, and yeah, see you in the next one.